YouTube fam, it's your girl TK, and it's been a couple days since I've been online, but I have reasons. My PMS came on, and I felt like saying, move out the way. Yes, it was one of those situations. I was like, no, if you butthole, but I got myself together. I'm feeling refreshed, and I'm ready to get online, and I want to speak to you guys about Beyonce as well as Taylor Swift. So I'm hoping you guys are prepared. Now, numero uno, the first thing I want you guys to know is that I was really shocked to see that Beyonce showed up at the movie theater with Taylor Swift. And I don't know why, but I want to call homegirl Taylor Swift. Okay, but it's Taylor. I'm going to respect the name. Y'all know I can fuck up a name, and I really don't mean to. But her name is Taylor. Anyhow, she showed up at the movies, okay, Beyonce. And it's really a beautiful sight to see because, numero uno, we seeing that Taylor ain't nothing to play with. Taylor is out here being famous. She hanging out with Queen Bee. You know, from the United Kingdom to the United States, Beyonce be out here saying, bow down when she come to your town. So just to see that, you know, Beyonce is showing respect to what Taylor Swift, this is real, like, this is a real big deal for Taylor. And not only that, y'all, I really believe not only is it a big deal, but do y'all remember that time Kanye West, he got online and he was like, you should have never won that. That should have went to Beyonce, that award. You know, and then he got up online and he was embarrassing Taylor Swift. So I always connect Taylor Swift to a Kanye West. So just to show or just to see that Beyonce is mature and paying respect to Taylor Swift, this is major. I love this female empowerment. I love that these women can get shmoney and they're both are doing their thing. Now, one of the things that I've noticed as of recent is that when you go online, you see a lot about not just Beyonce, but Taylor Swift. They're comparing the two now. You know, it's either Beyonce or Taylor Swift. Like, when I say Taylor is out here being famous, you know, that Kanye West embarrassment got this girl real famous. You know what I'm saying? I want to know who her boss man is. Let me know who your boss is. I need a job, whatever, Taylor. Anyhow, guys, yes. But it's really good to see all this empowerment that's going on. And I don't know why, but it feel like it's either sweat dropping down my back or a bug that feel like it's biting me. But yes, to see, and like let me go back to my thought, okay? Because I'm talking about a bug. But yes, it's good to see that Beyonce is showing female empowerment. She's showing up at this, you know, movie premiere, the ERAS movie premiere for Taylor Swift. It's good to see that she is, you know, embracing Taylor Swift, showing women empowerment. But honestly, when I think about Taylor Swift and when I think about Beyoncé Knowles, I'm also thinking Michael Jackson, because let's face it, he was one of the first people, one of the first artists who actually showed up at that movie via his song Thriller. And if you have not heard the song Thriller as of yet, you definitely should check it out. And this is a great opportunity to check it out because, let's face it, this is concert, like, well, it's not only concert time, but it's also Halloween time. So, shit, why not check it out? You know, it's one of those situations. Check out the song Thriller. I think you guys will absolutely enjoy it. And also, again, this is a great song for October, Halloween. Anyhow, now to move forward to Beyonce, when I think about her on her Renaissance premiere and how it's going to be coming up, I think her premiere is December 1st. That's a Thriller. It's Michael Jackson Thriller. And the reason being is because Beyonce in hers, she's telling you that she wants to go missing. She's telling you she needs to be, you know, she needs a prescription. She's sitting on odd and even men. You know what I'm saying? And she's appearing like she's a part of this whole human trafficking sting. You know, it's really not right in my opinion. Like, if you were to look at the visuals, just look at the visuals, you will see exactly what I am seeing. And you're going to be like, oh, friend, you know, I love you and all, but this a little too ratchet. But you know, that's Beyonce, and Beyonce, she can do what she want to do, even show up unexpected at a premiere for Taylor Swift. Anyhow, I'm not gonna make this video any much longer. Plus I need to get back to what I was doing, but I was like, I gotta make a video. I tried to make this video earlier in my car, but it just was not coming out right. I was hot and I don't know. So I said, let me get out, let me enjoy this fresh air. So if y'all hearing the sirens in the background, ooh, my bad friend. But y'all know the show must go on. Peace, love, and happiness, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, follow laws, rules, regulations, policies, and procedures, because you don't know when, where, and or how it might impact you. Bye.